That's all you ever seem to say. I'm tired, but won't you help me for I expire? Sleeping and reading every book I can find to get my mind off. In all I was a soul you were using. I am alone again. You can't believe it is that I've shared. I'm on a abandoned train. Don't desert me down where I am there. People, the sun is going on your heads, so read your paper. There's no one there for you to confide in. It's instinct to always have a shoulder to cry on and to rely on. Someone there to share and to shine.